Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Rachel and I'll be showing you how to set up a YouTube channel. So when you come to your browser, you open YouTube. So I'm going to the app on Chrome to open YouTube. Once YouTube loads, you come to this icon at the top right hand side of your screen where you see the icon that carries the name of your channel or your picture or whatever. So you click on the icon here, you see create channel. If you already had a channel, it will show you your channel, but if you don't have a channel before, it will say create channel. So let's click on this create channel and see what it looks like. So when you click on that, you choose how your channel will appear, how you will appear. So I choose to name this channel Rachel Creative. Rachel Creative. You can as well change the name of your channel anytime you wish to change it. By doing that, I am clicking create channel. Ta-da! You just created a channel and you have a channel. So this is what it will look like when you create the channel. It says no subscriber, Rachel Creative. This is what we created right now. So let's go about how we're going to set up this channel. So you can either choose to go here, customize channel, this here, or you could choose to come here and you could choose to come to the same icon you clicked on and go to YouTube Studio. Whichever one you use, it's going to take you to the same place. So let's choose customize channel. So it has brought us to the YouTube Creator Studio. So once you're in the studio, I'll be showing you what you should do, how to set up the channel and get it running. So you already have a channel, so just know that once you've done the first part of this, what I told you. So once you come here, you go to settings. These are the things you would want to do on your channel. Once you've known what your niche is and what you want to be creating content about, you come to basic info. You come to upload default. So you choose what default you want to, so you don't have to select them every time you're uploading video. You could choose tags of what you're making videos about. Keyword, you type in the keywords that people will actually type in when they are looking for a video that looks like what you make. You choose visibility. You can either choose to make all your video public, private, or unlisted, depending on what you want. If you always post video to go public, you can choose public, so you don't have to set it every time you come here. So this is that. You choose tags are keywords that are different from the title you choose, but basically these are things that people are going to key into what they are looking for. I'm going to key it into the search bar. When they come to YouTube, it might be how to make rice. It might be what they search that is related to the topic you're making. So that's basically what it is. You come to advanced settings. You can choose to select language depending on whatever you do. That is your upload default. You can choose your category, set it to be default. All these things you set it so you don't have to pick them up when you're making up a video. So let's see now. So go over to channel. Let's set up this. You can choose your country already. You choose your country of residence. Then you add your keywords that people will be searching. Here you come to advanced settings. You go to check things you want. I will choose no, set this channel as not meant for kids, so that you don't have to come and choose it in every video you make. The beautiful thing is that you can also change it anytime you want, but know that if you set your channel to be meant for kids, you cannot make money from YouTube AdSense. Don't play ads for children. So but you can choose no, not made for kids, and you go ahead and set it that they should also show people that are lesser than 18 years old. So you come to feature eligibility. You enable you enable intermediate features. When you come here, you see adding your phone number here will make you get custom thumbnails, upload videos longer than 15 minutes. You can also live stream once you've added your phone number. This is what you get. But for advanced features, you see that here, when you're eligible for this is when you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour time. So these features will be open up to you. Let's see what that says. Create more live stream daily, upload more videos daily. because as someone that has the intermediate feature and the standard features, you can only upload 10 videos, maximum of 10 videos a day. You cannot upload more than that. But once you have advanced features activated in your channel, you can upload more and more videos as you like daily. So let's go over. You come here. There's something else you would want to do here. Depending on your preference, you would want to disable your subscriber count. Some people prefer to leave it on, some people prefer to leave it off. So whichever one you choose, if you prefer for people to see your subscriber count, you can leave it on. If you prefer for people not to see it, you can turn it off. So this is where you disable it. Whatever you choose, I choose to disable. So we save. This is just basically setting up the channel. So here we come over to our dashboard. This is basically your dashboard, what it will look like. This is where you, when you get a subscriber, this is where your subscriber count will show. When you upload a video, this is when you see how your video is performing. You could go to the analytic of the video. This is where you see the summary of the views you have for the past 28 days, your watch hour cumulative for the past 28 days. This is where you see your top videos from the last 2 days, that's 48 hours. So when you come over to content, this is where you see the content you've posted, the playlist. This is where you see playlists you created. So you come over to analytics. This is where you see how your videos are performing. So this is basically what you need to do. You go over to monetization. This is where you will see, you set up two-step verification, and you can click notify me when I'm eligible for monetization. So let's come back to setting up our channel. You go to customization. After going to settings, the next thing you should go to is customization. You would want to customize your channel and get it ready. So you come over to basic info. You might choose to change the name you choose. This is where you change it from. You type in the description, specifically what you want people to know about your channel. You type it in here, and you can also add an email address here. When you want to get people to send you messages for business, you add your email address. You could add your personal links, other links to your Facebook accounts, to your Instagram, to your Twitter, whatever, to Discord, whatever account you want people to see displayed on your YouTube channel, you can add it here. So this is basically for this. We go over to branding here. You can change your image if you want to, your icon image. This is where you change it from. It's going to lead you to select whatever you want to add there. And this is where you add your banner image. This is where you add your banner image here. And you can also add watermark to your videos. But note that this watermark does not, when somebody downloads a video, it doesn't show in the video. It's just for YouTube to show watermark on your video that you're the owner of the channel or something. So basically we've customized. Let's go to layout. When we come over to layout, this is how the layout looks like. You can prefer to add trailer channel when you create a video telling people that, hey guys, I'm making videos about food, and I'll be making video once a week. I'll be throwing out videos, whatever you want to tell them. So this is where you add videos you want returning subscribers to be in. So this is where you section your channel. You come to add sections. You can add up to 12 sections to your channel. You will see popular uploads. Let's add popular upload. So you can move around what you want to be seen first. When somebody go to your channel, what you want them to see first, you can decide to move this one up, take shots down, just like that, as easy as it is. Once you're done, you publish. So that is that. What else do you need to do? Yes, this is the one you need to know too. Audio library. So these are where you get free songs to use in your video. These songs, you can use them. Let's see what it says. You're free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. So basically, you're free. You can get this song there. But in the phone app, you don't get, in the phone studio app, you don't get the audio library there. You can only basically get it on the laptop app, so, or your desktop, whatever you're using to browse, but you cannot get it on the phone Studio app. So this is where you get songs. These songs you can use them in your video. You don't need to give them attribution or say this is the person use the song. YouTube automatically gives the owner of the song the attribution they want. So this is where you see the license type of the song. But all the songs on the YouTube Studio YouTube Studio are free. So you could use them in your videos however you wish, but you cannot sell them as a standalone song. That's just basically what they say. And guys, don't forget that don't do anything to get strike to your channel. It's not really good. Getting copyrights, getting strike, as in when we go back to monetization, you see what I'm saying. It says here community guidelines strike. When you get community guidelines strikes, you'll be ineligible for YouTube monetization. So I would advise you, as a new beginner starting a YouTube channel, please go and read the community guidelines rules of YouTube. Please read YouTube guideline rule. Read it and understand it. And also, there's something I will tell you: don't post videos where people are fighting. If you're as much as you can, if you want to really post those videos, blur the faces of the people and set the video that it should not be for people under 18 years old. Please don't post videos for people that fight. They'll automatically give you a strike. The first strike will be a warning, the next strike is already hinging on your channel, and so on and so forth. And also, if you use songs that have copyright claim on them, YouTube will show you in the song when you come to your content. It's going to show your content once you've uploaded the video that this video you use has a copyright claim on it. So what that basically means is that the person that owns the copyright claim on your video is the one that will make profit out of it. You that made the video wouldn't make profit out of the video. So that's basically what that means. What else do I need to show you? So let me show you how to make an upload. We're going to randomly upload a video, so let's see what that looks like. So let's create now. So like I showed you the feature eligibilities, the standard eligibility and the intermediate. So you could go live when you add your phone number to your, and you could also add a thumbnail too when you add your phone number to your YouTube studio, when you add your phone number to YouTube. So let's see what that means. Let's upload a video and see how that goes. I'm going to be uploading random videos. So I'm going to be selecting files. Random files. I'll be selecting random files. Let's see what that means. So okay, it's fire much heavy. Okay, this looks quite small. Let me show you how you upload it. This is why I like using a system, a laptop, to upload videos. So I don't like using the phone because it doesn't give me everything I need. When you come here, this is the title. The beautiful thing is that the laptop actually picks the title of the video that you saved it in the laptop. But if you're using a phone to make your upload, it doesn't pick. So that's basically what I like about using a laptop to upload my. Not that I don't use phone. I also use phone, but I prefer to use it because it saves me a whole lot of stress. Like I showed you the settings where you set your upload default. Once you've set your upload default, you don't need to go back and type in those things because it can be very tedious. So once you come here, we choose a thumbnail. You can decide to gain access. You see that gain access to this feature. To add custom thumbnail, first verify your phone number. So you would need to verify your phone number to add custom. So I don't want to verify that. This is just for the purpose of tutorial. I have my own channel, so I already verified my phone number there. So yeah, this is where you create playlists for where you want to box your videos. Like you want to section them into playlists that they come. These videos are together. This is together. This is where you can create a playlist. Maybe you're making a video about how to make rice, different forms of rice. You can coconut. You can section them as how to make rice. So you add different methods of making rice in there. So that's basically what the playlist will serve as. When you're done, you click on done. We didn't create any playlist anyway. I think we should create a playlist. Let's create one. Let's call it anything. I'm just calling it anything. So you say create. That has created. So you check it and done. You've created a playlist. So this is this. So this is what I was saying, when you have a video that has fight in it or things that are very offensive that are not good for kids to watch, so you say no, my video is not made for kids. Once you've done that, you come to age restriction. If you must post things that are not made for kids, please don't leave this to be like this. Check this box that this one can uncheck. Yes, restrict my videos to viewers over 18. Don't show it to these people, because if you're making videos of fights, and you show it to this set of people, YouTube will give you a strike. So that is just basically what it is. But this video is okay for this age, for any age. So I'm going to leave it like this. I come over to show more. So here, this is where you add tags. Maybe I named this video Africa, but somebody might come in to search something else. Like they might key in something you think can relate to the video you're making, but not it will not necessarily be the title. So when people key in that search word into YouTube, your video comes up alongside other videos that are made concerning that keyword. So this is where you add tags. Say Nigeria. Am I typing Nigeria? You enter. Just key in search you want, but you could set this as upload default if you make videos about specific something, so you don't come back to change it every now and every time. You don't come back to typing something every time, but you could change it every now and then. So you come here, you can choose your category. We choose people and blog. You can, whatever category you choose it that your video falls under, you can choose it here. And that is that for this part of this section of. So we'll move over to next. So here, this is where you add end screen. Have you ever seen a video you're watching and somebody raises up his hand, my right hand, check the video over there, check the video over there? Yeah, this is where those things are added. You say add end screen. It might show you what to add to your video. You might have other videos you want to add video, but you see what pops up. This is how it looks like. I'm going to be discarding things. I don't have any video to add. So let's see what this one looks like. Add. So you want to add a channel to pop up or a playlist or whatever you want to add. You can time it around here. Drag this, time it around. Whatever you want to add. When you choose what you want to add, say playlist. It's going to ask me for a playlist, and I've not created any playlist, so no need. So basically, that is it. That's why I like using the system to do all this. You come over to next, and it said no issues found. Then copyright. This is where it's going to show you whether you have copyright claim, whether you use copyright claim content on them. So you go to next, and you can choose to make it private, unlisted, or publish, whichever one. And also you can schedule your video to publish at so time. Like I said, for beginners, you can only upload 10 videos, a maximum of 10 videos daily. Once you've greeting the 1,000 subscribers threshold and the 4,000 hours watch time threshold, you can upload more. So the beautiful thing is that you can actually schedule your video to post when you're working. Me, I work, so I do YouTube as part-time. So I schedule my video to upload, so I don't get to go down and see that, oh my god, I've not posted the video today. No, I schedule my video to get them posted. So this is basically what this is. So I've shown you how to upload a video. Please, if you have any question, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. And do subscribe if you got value from this video. Give it a thumbs up so I can push it up so that it can allow the video be pushed up by the YouTube algorithm. So give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Tell me what you want to know more. Please leave a comment in the comment section. If you like the video, or if there's something you want to be done better, please do tell me in the comment section, and I will respond to you as much as I can. I will definitely respond to you. Yes, I will. Thank you so much for watching this video, and